Hey everyone, I've been thinking about this for a while. How do you figure out if it's better to invest in an old house or a new house? So I came across this really cool way to look at it, and hopefully it helps you too. So step one, find old houses in the area that you're looking at. Step two, find some new houses in the area that you're looking at. And step three, find an old house and a new house that are as similar as possible. I'm talking land size, bedroom size, bathroom size, as similar as possible, even on the same street if you can. And step four is to figure out which one's the better deal, which is if the old house and the new house are around a similar price, then the new house is a better deal. If they're quite different, the prices between new and old, then it's better to buy the old one. So I'll explain this in an example because it helps me. So new house is $300,000, for example. Old house is $200,000. I hope you guessed right. The right one is to buy the old one because you put 20 grand in, renovate it, make it look like the new one, and you just got a big profit. So the reverse is if the old house and the new house are quite similar in price, like the new one's 300, the old one is 280, it makes sense more to buy the new one and you can just save yourself all the work and rent it out, do what you're gonna do. So I hope that helps.